Ever found yourself questioning your current training methods? Or perhaps you're on the hunt for innovative ways to enhance your calisthenics routine? Well, you're in luck. Today we delve into the world of effective training methods that could revolutionize your workouts. First on the list, supersets. These are a fantastic way to increase the intensity of your workout without adding extra time. Supersets involve performing 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest in between. This method is great for targeting multiple muscle groups and increasing your overall endurance. Remember, the aim here is not to rush through the exercises, but to execute each movement with precision and control. Moving on to our second method, drop sets. This technique involves performing an exercise and then reducing the weight to complete more reps until you reach muscle fatigue. With calisthenics, this might mean starting with a harder version of an exercise like a full pull-up, and then dropping to an easier version, like a negative pull-up. Drop sets are a great way to push past your usual limits and stimulate muscle growth. Next up, circuit training. This method involves performing a series of exercises, one after the other, with minimal rest in between. It's a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular fitness and muscular endurance. A typical circuit could include push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges. The goal is to move through the circuit as efficiently as possible, maintaining good form throughout. Our fourth method is pyramids. This training technique involves gradually increasing, then decreasing the number of reps for each exercise, creating a pyramid structure. For example, you might start with 1 pull-up, then do 2, then 3, and so on until you reach your peak, then reverse the process. Pyramids are an excellent way to challenge your stamina and build up your strength. Lastly, we have EMOM, which stands for every minute on the minute. This method involves starting a new set of an exercise at the beginning of every minute, resting for the remainder of the minute once you've completed your set. EMOM is a fantastic way to improve your efficiency and work capacity. Now that you're armed with these 5 effective training methods, why not incorporate them into your workout routine? Each method offers unique benefits and can help you push past your fitness plateaus. Remember, the key to success in calisthenics is consistency and progressive overload. So, try out these methods, stay consistent, and watch as your strength, endurance, and physique improve. Happy training!